Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing healthy hot chocolate recipe. This hot chocolate is dairy free and vegan. It's easy to make at home and super healthy. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm soaking a handful or about 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Soak the cashew nuts for about 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes now. I'm transferring the soaked cashew nuts into my small chutney grinder. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon crushed jaggery powder. This is organic jaggery which does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly. You can increase or decrease jaggery powder to suit your taste. Add in 3/4 tablespoon raw cacao powder. A pinch of cinnamon powder for an added flavor. This is entirely optional. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can totally omit it. I have measured 1 cup of water and I'm adding in about 1/4 cup into the chutney grinder. And now I'm going to blend this really well. And it's nicely blended. I'm going to transfer to a saucepan. Add in the measured water into the chutney grinder and wash down the residue into the saucepan. So I used 1 whole cup of water. Turn on the flame and on low flame allow this to get heated up. You need to keep stirring it because we don't want the cashew milk to get curdled. Put it on low flame and allow it to get heated up. Sometimes if you put on high flame, the cashew milk may curdle. So on low flame you need to heat this up and also make sure that you are stirring the cashew milk. And once it starts to get heated up, you will see some steam coming out. And at that state, you need to turn off the flame. As the milk starts to get heated up, it will slightly thicken. And you need to turn off the flame just before the boiling stage. Don't allow this to come to a boil, as if it boils, sometimes the cashew milk may curdle. Not every time, but sometimes it may curdle. So just on low flame, stir it and heat it up. And before boiling stage, turn off the flame. And once it starts to get heated up, steam will start coming out and also the milk will start to thicken. And you can see the steam coming out. So at this stage, turn off the flame. Pour the hot chocolate or hot cocoa into a serving glass. Sprinkle a fat pinch of raw cacao powder on top, and my super healthy dairy-free vegan hot chocolate is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy hot chocolate and let me know if you would like to see these kind of recipes. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.